Welcome and welcome and welcome. This is DaveTech YouTube channel, here again with another very exciting video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install the Filmzie app on Android TV. So let's get straight down to it. All you have to do is to go to your browser. I'm using Google, and now in your browser you need to open up the search tab and you find a keyboard. So right here, I'm going to type in Filmzie app. So look for the Filmzie app, and right there you have different suggestions. So I could just take Filmzie. I just want to take Filmzie app. So click on the search button. I find this app, these various suggestions. Now I'm looking at the one from play.google.com, Filmzie movie streaming app. I click on that link and it takes me to this download page. Now click on the install button. This app will be installed to my Android TV. I just need to give it a couple of seconds. It's going to install, and when the download is complete, the installation process into my Android TV is going to be automatic. So after a couple of seconds, you install and I can access the app from my app library, or I can access the app right here with the open button. So it's a matter of time. Just give it a couple of seconds to finish downloading, and when it's finished with the download, it's going to install. From there you can access the app and enjoy movies on this streaming app. So if you found this insightful, hit that like button. I want you to subscribe to the channel for more content like this.